back to tell me sorry that you take back all the things you said just to hurt me. Our love just went cold, but I'm still burning. Our love just went cold. Why? I keep on making the same mistake. I always let you back in when I begin to get myself together again. You are back once more, like everything's the same. I tried to build my walls up, but you're taking them down. It's tearing me apart, I can't pretend. Now I have to get over you again. You said it was the last time, but you keep coming back to show me. Sorry you have changed now, but it's the same old story. Our love just went cold, but I'm still burning. Our love just went cold. Why? I keep on making the same mistake. I always let you back in when I begin to get myself together again. You are back once more, like everything's the same. I tried to build my walls up, but you're taking them down. It's tearing me apart, I can't pretend. Now I have to get over you again. Have to get over you again. Have to get over you. I keep on making the same mistake. I always let you back in when I begin to get myself together again. You are back once more, like everything's the same. I tried to build my walls up, but you're taking them down. It's tearing me apart, I can't pretend. Now I have to get over you again. Have to get over you again.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no
Hi and welcome back. So I thought I'd come back at the end of the second video to talk about the project and my review really on what I felt any improvements or that could be done on this. So to be honest, it was completely successful, absolutely delighted, and there was nothing more delighting than when I actually went to part off the lid and I came through to the silicone bung, which was just worked out brilliantly. So this is the box. I did have to actually do a little repair on the lid. I had to put a rimmer resin round there because I'd actually made it too big, but it has like a nice little catch on it now. So really pleased. Managed to, I hardly had to clean out the pot, to be honest, after that, because the majority of it was all done, so it was just a matter of cleaning it out. Saved around about 100 mils of resin. That pot would take 600 mils normally, and this project took 500 mils. It's still a lot of resin, but I do think I could have made this slightly bigger. You know, there's still quite a bit of space, still quite a thick rim on there. I could have gone a lot thinner, could have made this thicker, but I think when you start doing that you run the risk of you not actually turning it centre and then not catching a hold of the edges, if you know what I mean. It's quite a bit, you know, I had to make sure I get it on there properly, because if not the hole would have been useless because it would have been off centre. But I think this is just perfect. I definitely will be using it again, because that 100 mils of resin, you know, when you're making 5 or 6 boxes, that's a whole new pack of resin. So to do that, so realistically what you would need for one of these projects is one of these small bottles here. I'll put a picture up of it. That would be enough resin to complete this. And silicone, I mean, I buy one of that big packs, but I will put the links for it below. You could probably buy it a little bit cheaper maybe if you're buying it in a lot smaller pack, and I mean, this will last for ages. It's like I say, it's what I use for some of my silicone moulds, because I make some of my own moulds. That was a second little bung which goes in. This obviously goes in this obviously goes in second in order to get the lid done. That worked out really well as well. I would have never have got a match anyway, because by the time I part off to get the rim in the lid, there is other ways of doing this, but this is a particular way that I do it. I would never get a perfect match anyway. So having that witness line from the 2 pours of resin, it made no difference. You would never know that took 2 pours to do. And the little, I think these are called gum nuts. Anyway, I as you see, I bought a massive bag of those. I will have pen blanks going up, same colours I think, because I really like the colours. But anyway, the review basically, did I think it was worth doing it? Absolutely yes. Did it save enough resin? You always want it to save as much resin as possible, but I think I saved as much as possible. There was so little resin came off this project afterwards. All the resin still is in the pot. So yeah, absolutely perfect. Will I do any modifications to it? No, I won't, I don't think. I will leave it just like this. I think it gets too risky and you risk of spoiling the whole project should I push that boundaries a bit more. It could go, I dare say it could go 1/4 of an inch all the way round on that, which would maybe save you, I don't know, maybe another 60, maybe not even that, probably about 30 or 40 mils. Not worth it for me. I'm quite happy with that. So I hope you enjoyed this. I will put links down to the resin that I used for this, because this was Alumilite clear. I did it purely because I wanted it to cast quite quickly, but that is slightly more expensive. We'll put the bottle size that you would need to complete this project, but you need a pressure pot for that. But I will put Amazing Clear down. You will get away with that without a pressure pot, just careful stirring. Not saying that you won't have any fine bubbles in it, you will, but I've done it before and it works. So yeah, but if you've definitely got a pressure pot, that's the cheapest way I think of going. So the project probably would have cost about £15 in all, which for the little box that you get is amazing. There's just a lot of time that's put into it. Anyway, I'm not going to chat anymore. I hope you enjoyed these 2 videos. They have been a while coming. There is more videos that I've filmed. I'm just really struggling. I'm having to look after my family and stuff just now as well. So just really struggling to get the time to do the editing. The filming I'm doing, but I'm just not getting the chance to edit stuff. So I hope to have another video up for you very soon. And thank you for sticking with me. And yeah, take care everybody, and I shall see you again next time.